Hi guys, welcome back to our daily market analysis and let's get started. So Nifty actually took support at 25,500. This we've been talking about I think from the last couple of days. I think you guys did not watch yesterday's video, so yes, yeah. So Nifty holding 25,500, Bank Nifty gave closing below 60,100, but it was very much tricky for Bank Nifty to, you actually have to understand Bank Nifty in a way because it was giving marginal closing below 62,100. So it was not very much clear that what exactly can happen and will happen. Right. So chart shows that like I think it actually broke both the resistance of 668 by marginal of like 30 points and 515. So Nifty is taking support at both the levels. So the precise levels are like 25,668 and 25,500. 25,500. I think you don't have to look at the precise levels, but for intraday traders, this might actually help a lot. Not kidding. Yeah, 60,120. Barely, like it is trying to Bank Nifty also trying to break the resistance at 60,100. Now let's try to understand what option chain is telling us. It's been a lot of time. I think international news. There's nothing that's going on. Very interesting. Okay, the probability of we having a nuclear war has just gone up significantly because now Russia is not accountable for any sort of saying that okay that they'll actually be in some sort of agreement or this or that. They can just launch and like we are moving towards a world which is very much risky, but I don't think so that no one cares about it at this point of time. We'll see when the nuclear war happens. Yeah, so at below levels 25,500, 25,600, a lot of actually surprising put writing, right? Happening at what do you say 25,600 and below levels. Suggesting that the 25,600 is going to be Nifty is going to take support at 25,600. It's not going to break till this expiry and below levels, and suggesting that 25,600 is kind of a major support. What PCR has to say, PCR has turned 0.9, so that's interesting. From bearish to bullish, like neutral to bullish, to be honest. What's happening to the FIDI data? This is where the interesting things usually happen. So this is 6th of FEB data. Bought for 22,000 call, bought 23,000 put, that's positive. Bought 61,000 calls, sold for 42,000 put, that's positive. Sold 1 lakh calls, that's negative. Bought 18,000 puts, that's again negative. But interesting enough, FII and Pro are bullish. Matlab market is going to go up. Simple. Client is bearish. Because most of the time this is what something happens. Whatever the verdict of FI and Pro are, that is usually what happens in the market. The moment they are trying to buy call options and sell put options, understand this, but the future does not tell the same story. They sold like 1,000 crores in futures. FI sold 1,000 crores in future. But I think selling calls of like selling puts of actually 55,600 can make some sort of money in the coming days, right? That is something like till 10th of Feb. Okay, so today's Friday, Saturday, Sunday. There's going to be no market. Cash market. If I bought 2,000 crores of stock today, bought 2,000 crores in stock. Overall verdict remains more on a bullish side than a bearish side. S&P taking support at 6,843. That's what we have drawn. It did how do you say baited some of the guys. Tried to make fool of them, and then it went up by like 1.21 percentage. Nasdaq formed inverted hammer at the bottom of the channel, and then but there is not an inverted hammer. That's a green color candle. But again, this today they went up by like 1%. DAX is up by 0.8%. There's not much negativity. It's just consolidating. Nikkei has given a breakout, 4% up. Come on, that's again. Japan is getting a lot of investments compared to other nations. That's what I can see from the chart. Like something good happening there. Sensex, oh sorry, not Sensex or SSE, Shanghai, what do you say? SSE Composite Index, Shanghai Stock Exchange, Shanghai Stock Exchange. So this is like neutral, nothing, but almost it's gaining a lot of momentum. It's getting a lot of investments. Don't look at it that way. DXY again, kind of settling at 97. Gold up by 4%. Silver up by 1%. USD INR up by 0.24%. TLT down by 2.4. So TLT EDV they are they are consolidating at the bottom. US 10-year bonds yesterday like they went down by like 2% or something, but today the yields are also up and the bonds are also up. The bonds have gone down, the yields have gone up. Oil trying to gain some sort of momentum again, $65. It will face resistance, but looking at this, it would have actually taken some sort of hit, but it's consolidating at the resistance. Look, near the resistance, looks like it can break out. To be honest, BTC took support at the exact level that we have drawn at 62,586. Next resistance, it is landing at 69,036. If it breaks this, gives a closing above it, forming already a harami sort of pattern, bullish harami. But the next resistance can be 74. Like till from 69, it can go till like 74,400. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, that is it for today's analysis. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on Monday. Bye.